Hello everybody, this is the first review I'm doing of the Pure Air Pro LR. It just came out, so I got myself a first one. So I've been testing it out, so I thought I'd give you guys some immediate feedback on my experience of riding it for the first time. Now, I haven't ridden it for long distances yet. I've ridden it to the shops and back, to various shops and back, and through those routes I've ridden up hills, different types of surfaces, from pavements to roads, bumpy roads, hilly roads, and I'm going to give you my feedback. So first up, oh, car going past there. So first up, I'm going to say that this is a very good scooter. I like it so far. Just to bear in mind, I'm going to compare it to the scooter I had before, which was the Segway Max, the G30 Max. That's the one I had previously. So first one is regards to handling. Handling is fiddly a little bit when you're riding on the roads, maybe because it's new and I'm not used to it yet, but it felt very smooth, especially on the rough surfaces. As you can see, it's got rough surfaces here, and it was very smooth on the rough surfaces. Didn't hear any crackling noises. Also, as well, riding it is very, I noticed it's very silent. When I rode my Segway G30, it's like zzz, but with this one, it was very silent. You can't really hardly hear it, which was very nice, which one thing I liked about it as well. The one thing I would say, this here, it's, I like it. It's like a skateboard kind of thing. But the only thing is that, I don't know, I feel like it could get damaged easier in the winter months, in the snow, in the rain. It could get damaged. I'm not sure about that. I prefer metal or plastic or something like that. But in due time, the only way to find out is when it gets to winter time. The bell, I wasn't sure about this bell, but it seems to work so far. But we have to see the more I use it. But yeah, so overall the impressions is good. The power, one of the good things what caught my eye about it was regards to the power. My old one, the Segway G30, it was 350 watts, and this one is like 500 watts, but in some occasions to 750. Now riding it, now I know why it says sometimes 750, because the 750 part really kicks in if you're going up steep hills. So if you're going up a steep hill and it's about to struggle, then that extra 250 watts kick in, and it gives you that boost, and you can feel it boosting up when you're going up a hill. So that's where that 750 kicks in, which I think is quite smart, because you don't really need 750 all the way, but that extra it makes 750 comes in handy when you're going up hills. Whereas with my Segway Max, when I'm going up hills, you can see it struggle. It goes up, but you can see it struggle, and the speed goes down. Whereas I'm going up the same steep hill with this, it still maintains the speed. It doesn't slow down when I'm going up steep hills. And to make sure, and if it does look like it's about to slow down, then automatically the extra boost kicks in. That 750, it kicks up to 750 to give it that extra boost to go up those hills. So it's very smart, it's very manageable, and I think that the way it manages the speed helps to control the battery levels as well, because as you can see, the battery's still full, where normally riding that same route with my Segway, at least one bar would have went down by now. So I think that this one has learned from the other scooters and has applied it onto here. In regards to what I don't like, the only thing I don't like really is, I like the look of the wood, but I'm not sure if it's going to be durable on everyday rides. And also the bell, even though it works, the Segway Max belt was much more convenient, because I can simply move my wrist and it works. But other than that, it's very steady. This seems very secure, much more secure than the Segway. The Segway, the problem was with the Segway is that it gets loose and the little handle flips out. Everyone has a Segway G30, they know what I'm talking about. It flips out, and then you have to fix it back in. So when I'm in the middle of riding my scooter, I have to kick it with my foot just so it fits in, stop from falling off, which is one of the big issues I had with the Segway Max. If you want me to do a separate video review on the Segway Max, I can do, but this is much better, much more improved all around than the Segway G30. So if anyone going to make a decision between G30 and this, from my experience of having both, go for this so far, based on first impressions. I'm going to do another video once I've ridden this for 3 months consistently, because I'm a hardcore scooter ride it every day to and from, you know, over different surfaces, soft, hard, concrete, hills, because I'm in a hilly area. So we're going to take this for a real field test, and we're going to know real soon if this scooter is made for that life, is built for that life. We're going to see. So but this is my review, my quick review on it. So far, very impressed. Yeah, obviously it only goes 15.5 miles per hour because of the legal limit, but if anyone knows any hacks that can speed up the limit, let me know in the comments. I want to hear what you guys have to say. This is me signing out. Bye, y'all.